I think a man is at his best when he's in his element and he's comfortable and happy and surrounded by people that he wants to be with. For me, success can come in a lot of ways. For me, it's always having happy people around you, happy in the family, happy at work. I feel that if everyone's generally happy on day to day, you can say it's been successful. Maybe my biggest regret would be trying to figure out things faster in my life. Being a man in this age, I feel that we have even more of a responsibility to represent ourselves properly and to respect and basically support different people from all walks of life. So I think being a man today is being comfortable with that idea.